Hello friends, today we will learn how to draw Rathayatra special drawing very easily. In this picture, we will draw a little boy and a little girl with a rath. They really fully enjoy the festival. At first, draw the little boy following this process. Here we will draw a small beautiful rath in this way. Draw the little girl with me. Here also draw a little boy behind the windows. Now draw a easy scenery with some buildings and trees. So our full drawing is completed. Now it's color time. So first of all, let me introduce the color. For the skin, we will apply these colors: orange, peach and white. And for the dress, we will apply chrome yellow deep, chrome yellow medium, orange, red, pink, Prussian blue and sky blue. Also these colors for the whole paintings. Now let's start the color. Here we will apply the color very brightly. Also follow the light and shadow properly. They are looking so beautiful in these colorful and bright dresses. Now complete the whole painting following this process and enjoy it. So finally our whole painting is completed. I hope you enjoyed this video. So friends, wish you all a very happy and safe Rathayatra. So friends, if you like this video, subscribe our channel. Hit the like button and share it with your friends. Good luck to you all. Stay safe and be happy. Thank you and bye-bye.